Good morning, class 11th. I had already explained you about the meaning of lifestyle and what is lifestyle. Lifestyle is a set of attitudes, habits, or possessions associated with our particular person or a group. A set of attitude. What is attitude? Habits and possessions. Day to day life, we have an attitude, and all this makes our attitude, habit, and possessions makes our personality. Habits, we have bad habits or good habits. Generally, we try to follow good habits like obeying elders, a good attitude at society. We always respect to our teachers is a good attitude in a society. What people thinks about all these things come under attitude, habits, and possessions. Next heading is importance of healthy and positive lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is absolutely vital for reducing an incidence and impact of problem for recovery. A healthy lifestyle, it involves our physical fitness, our diet and nutrition schedule, and how balance are socially and emotionally, how we are balanced. That all comes under healthy lifestyle. Within that we have habits also and attitude also for coping with life and for improving quality of life. There are number of studies which show that it plays a huge part in how healthy we are. How healthy we are. Currently, we depend exclusively on the medical treatment which is provided by quality doctor. We suffer from diabetes, cancer, and even mental health illness. As a matter, many health problems can be prevented, or at least their occurrence can be postponed by having healthy lifestyle, by following healthy lifestyle or positive lifestyle. It is very important for all of us to follow healthy lifestyle, and there are various headings in which we can follow a positive or a healthy lifestyle and what it helps and how it helps in a form of increased longevity. A healthy lifestyle increase longevity. We are talking about lifespan and enhance the immunity system. Enhance immunity system. A healthy lifestyle reduce the risk of disease and always delays many problems related to our health. Nowadays it is very important. Second is increase energy level. What is it? Increase energy level. A healthy lifestyle increase energy level. If you have a good energy level, you will do work more and efficiently, and you will feel healthy and more productivity in day to day living or day to day work. With the increased energy level, we can accomplish more work in our life, provides a greater sense of satisfaction. What it provides? It provides a greater sense of satisfaction while doing our work. What doing? By doing our work. Work. So it increase energy level. Increase the level of physical fitness. That is true. While following a positive lifestyle, physical fitness help in better coordination of muscles and increase the strength, flexibility, and endurance to do work, to do more and more work. It makes life more smooth and physically fit, help in improving the quality of life, improves posture. Most of the students in journal days, in when we are having assemblies, generally we give a command, stances and attention. Although that is a part of discipline, but it helps in correcting a posture also. Poor posture is a major cause of physical injuries and often lead to a huge problems in later life. A healthy life improves the posture and physical appearance. So, students, to improve your posture, you should have a positive lifestyle of living. Increase self confidence. Naturally, if you will have a good health, positive, it will boost your self confidence. Helps in coping with stress. Nowadays, it is very important to follow and have a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle help in coping with stress. Healthy lifestyle enhance psychological well-being of an individual to cope with the stress as well as anxiety, and ultimate that improves mental health of an individual. Tension and anxiety helps in coping with stress when we are in overloaded, when we have a problem related to our tension and anxiety. If we are following a healthy lifestyle, it will reduce your stress and tensions. Components of physical fitness. What are the components of physical fitness? Physical fitness have various components related to different sports activities. Each activity is developed each component. For example, a sports that includes constant movements. And what are those sports? When we are in constant movement, swimming, running, most of the athletic part, while we are taking part in athletics, improve heart and lung efficiency, whereas gymnastics improve flexibility. Now, the first component of physical fitness is strength. Strength. What is a first component of physical fitness? That is strength. Strength is the ability of muscles to overcome resistance. It is a major component of physical fitness. Strength can also be defined as amount of force of a muscles or muscles group can exert. Here you can see the example of weightlifting. When a weightlifter is lifting a weight in a competition, as much as seconds or a minutes he can take, we can calculate from a timing in which he holds the weight. And while lifting a weight needs a muscular power, as much the muscles can exert, hold that force of a weight that he is lifting. A certain level is also essential for common person, while sports person to have strength of paramount importance. Here we are talking about strength of a muscles, and with the one example related to a weight lifting, how muscles can sustain that weight, or how much time that weight can be held by the muscles, is known as strength. Some vacations of sports may require less amount of strength, while others vacations or sports require much more strength. In the same way, sports or vacations require different types of strength. For better understanding, the strength can be divided into two. First is dynamic strength and second is static strength. First one is dynamic strength. What is dynamic strength? A dynamic strength can be called isometric strength because it is related to movement. It is related to movement. And I had already given you examples related constant related movement of sports and games are swimming, running, taking part in athletics. It pull ups and push ups were required in dynamic strength. When we are having push ups and pull ups, while doing such workouts, there is a diminishing tendency in dynamic strength. How we can feel the diminishing tendency in a dynamic, when we are lowering our body and pushing it up, pulling it up or pushing it down. After some times muscles refuse to do work. We are very tired. For example, I had given a child that he will do 10 push-ups. The child is physically fit. He immediately done 10 push-ups. Then again I had given 5. Then again I had given 5. After 20 to 25, he will slowly tie it down and suddenly he will say, "Sir, I am unable to do." At that time, that muscles refuse to do work because muscles are tired. At that juncture, A person is not able to do even extra pull up or push up. Why he is unable to do? Because muscles are very tired and refuse to do work. Movements are clearly visible when some use dynamic strength. In each sports movement, strength appears in a different form. Generally, strength can be divided into three parts: maximum, explosive, and strength endurance. We can divide strength in a three form: maximum, explosive, and strength endurance. The first one is maximum. It is the ability to act against resistance. Maximum strength is not usually used in majority of sports. It is usually used in those in which heavy resistance to have to be tackled. And what heavy resistance are? We can find in weight lifting, because we are lifting a weight beyond the limits of our muscles. For example, weightlifting, I told you, hammer throw, discus throw, and javelin throw. You need a maximum strength because you have to cover more and more distance. That's why you need maximum strength.